Good morning, Novato. It's Curtis Aikens, and I'm running for District 5 Supervisor here in Novato. As an entrepreneur, an educator, an advocate, and chef, I've spent my life serving and empowering community. Now I need your help to take this to the next level. I'm fighting for small businesses to thrive, for families struggling with food insecurity, and for our community to grow closer. I'm committed to ensuring that first responders, caregivers, teachers, and the folks that take care of Novato get the pay they deserve, pushing for affordable workforce housing and improved child and elder care across and throughout Marin County. And the issue that's on all our minds and at the top of our heart across Novato. I'm determined to work hard to secure stable housing for those in need. We need more treatment beds and to get people off the street. No one should have to live in a car or on the sidewalk. If you believe in a stronger, safer, and more united Novato, I'm asking you to join me in this fight. Please visit curtisakins.us. Join the team, make a donation, help us help others. Thank you for support, Novato. I love this community. I know you do too.